Okay, just arrived in the post today, straight from USA. There it is, the FLM chassis, new centre drive shafts. Can't wait to get it on. I've got the new chassis braces and the new chassis. Check out how thick this thing is. It's got to be at least 8 to 10 mil thick. So last night I stripped down the back of the car, and as you can see, snapped the chassis, went these cheap GMP chassis braces, as you can see there, snapped. And also on the other side, just there, snapped as well. So, also sheared the bolts inside. Doesn't look like they'll be coming out again. But just as well the post was on time. So, you saw in the last clip, the back end was all smashed. I've used my donor car, the T-Maxx. It's the T-Maxx. And I've taken the new bumper braces off the back, reused them, also stolen the new skid plate at the back and the wheelie bar, so that's going to be on there now. And I also transferred my alley shocks from the T-Maxx, and they're now going to be on the E-Maxx. So just got to put this thing back together and watch out for the next clip. Cheers.